you gather your materials of yeast, hydrogen peroxide, and dish soap, you're going to combine the solution. The first thing you do is pour out 200 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to add some dish soap. Add about 2 to 3 squirts of dish soap. Finally, after you've added your dish soap, you're going to take your yeast mixed with water. You're going to pour your yeast in. In this catalytic reaction, oxygen is being evaporated, but it's being caught by the dish soap to form the bubbles. This is most commonly found when you wash your hands and the bubbles on your hands get in the soap.
We can do that afterwards.
The way this reaction occurs is by the help of a catalyst, or a substance that speeds up the rate of reaction. This catalyst, the yeast, speeds up the production of oxygen, which is then trapped by the soap, forming the bubbles.
All you need for safety in this exercise is safety goggles, so you don't end up like this. Also, don't lean over your reaction. That may be deadly. See?